Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an image to your Odoo website. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the website option. In your website, click on Edit from the top right corner. And this will open this right panel where you will click on Blocks from the navigation menu. In here, scroll down to the Inner Content section. Hold down your left mouse button on this image option. Then drag it wherever you want in your website. After you've dragged it to your preferred spot, this pop-up will appear where you can search for an image you want to use. You can also add an image using a URL or upload an image from your computer. After you've found the image you want to add to your website, click on Add down here. And that is how you can add an image to your Odoo website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.